Ep.07.
Thank you and welcome on board.
Kindly और बाकी वर्षिप पर ताकि उधर से किसी का छोटा कारण ना पसीने का सके और अधिकार रहे और अन्य ट्रांसपोर्टिंग प्रिविलेज जो फ्लाइट मोड पर सेट नहीं आंसर रहे आरंभ करें और आज आपकी देखभाल करने का अवसर
to ensuring that everyone has access to the opportunities and education they deserve.
Together with our partners Save the Children, we're providing essential support before, during and after disaster strikes. Conflict and natural disasters threaten millions of lives every year. And through our partnership, we're committed to supporting communities and young people affected.
We use the strength of our team and aircraft to provide immediate humanitarian response. Your donation will elevate our process support, allowing us to reach many more children and families across the globe.
Together with STEM learning, we're increasing access to STEM education and opportunities, removing obstacles to careers in the aviation industry. We do this through our Passport to Change program, meeting young people in schools to raise awareness and inspire future flight paths both within aviation and beyond.
It's thanks to your generous donations that we're able to continue to support the communities that we serve. Please put any loose change or leftover currency in the envelope around your headset and hand to a member of crew as you exit the aircraft. If you would prefer to donate by card, our cabin crew will be round during your flight.
Together, we can inspire a generation. Thank you for making a difference.
Flying with us today. You're no doubt keen to lose yourself in our dazzling world of entertainment, but first we're going to show you a safety film, and we'd like you to give it your full attention. It's really important that you watch and understand it because together we're all responsible for safety on this flight. It helps explain the safety equipment and procedures to the aircraft and gives you an idea of what to do in an emergency. If you have any questions after watching it, ask them.
The aisles and exits need to be kept clear. So, if there is anything you haven't put in the overhead lockers, put them under the seat in front of you. Now.
It's really important that your seatbelt is securely fastened. If it isn't, push the two ends together until they click. Then tighten it by pulling the strap, like this. If there's an airbag attached, make sure it's not twisted. You can open your seatbelt like this. Keep your seatbelt on and pull the tag or the mask down to turn on the oxygen. Put the mask over your mouth and nose with a rubber band around your head. Fit your mask first before helping anyone else with theirs. You can't smoke anywhere on this flight, and that means anywhere, not even the toilets. It's just not safe. The same goes for these electronic and smokeless cigarettes. We all have a lot of electronic devices. Please make sure they're switched to flight safe or airplane mode now. For more details on using your devices on the flight, please take a look at your safety card. If you land on water, take your life jacket from under your seat. Pull the tab to release it, then open the bag and take the jacket out. Slip it over your head, pass the long strap around your waist and secure with the clip at the front. Pull on the loose end to tighten it. Only inflate it when you're outside so it doesn't restrict your escape. Pull the red tab hard or blow into the tube to inflate. There is a light to attract attention. Cabin crew will hand out smaller life jacket for children.
To help reduce injury in an emergency landing, fasten your seatbelt tight. Put both feet together firmly on the floor, slightly under your seat. Place one hand over the other on the back of your head. Bend forward, elbows outside your knees. Rest your head on the seat in front of you here. If you have a child on your lap, place one hand on your head, lean over your child and place one hand on their head.
Lights will guide you to the exits in an emergency, and there are green signs at the doors. The cabin crew will point out the exits now. Please remember where your nearest exit is. It might be right there, behind you. If you need to open a door, move the big handle in the direction of the arrow. As the door opens, the slide will inflate. If it doesn't, then just pull the red handle. Leave everything behind you and take off anything that could damage the slide. Jump up the slide and when you get to the end, move away quickly. The slides can also be used as rafts.
Okay, we're nearly ready to go. Please now make sure your seatbelt's fastened low and tight, your seat's upright, the armrests down, and your footrest is tucked away. If your screen isn't in the back of the seat in front of you, return it to its home now. There's a safety card in your seat pocket. Have a good look through to remind you of what you see and for information about this particular aircraft. Please always pay attention to the signs and the crew. They're there to keep you safe, so if you have any questions, just ask. Now sit back and enjoy your flight, and thanks for watching.